Hey guys, this is Michael here. Just getting ready for Christmas. Skymarks Delta. Payment 120. This Skymarks. This Delta. It's no glue. Boxing this. So, I'm doing one-handed, so don't get this correctly. It's my first time one-handed. Yeah, this is my first Skymarks. I have a bunch of planes right there. Got one more one of the Delta. 2 Southwests. This is one flat wing, and one with the wing hits. And this my second winglet. Okay, got that out. Yeah, so forgive me for this. I remove these things out of the way. I'm starting to. Oh, what's that? I'm getting 2 brand new ones. This is another Delta. This new airline coming soon. Right down here. American Airlines coming soon. That means that American's coming to the airport. Finally, I'm waiting on American Airlines. I'm supposed to be getting that for Christmas. I don't know why. What's the reason is for that? We're saving for Christmas. Because I just ordered Delta. Okay, finally got it out of the box. It does come in plastic sheets like this. Mine, I didn't move the winglets in the ending gears. Let's take a look. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Delta. I think you can see that duration is. Okay, wrong side. It's like November 3744, February. $37.44. That's the Boeing on it. I like the details, like over here they have a door. And I like the details even on the cockpit. Like you can focus hard about that, guys. Okay, got to see the cockpit. It has detailing. Come on, book. That. And I like the details even on the tail rudder. Look at that. This is what gets me a lot. Ooh, this is a nice model. I have another one of these coming on the way. Wait, another one of these is on the way. I ordered it off of Amazon. Now, I'm supposed to get another one of these for Christmas. I ordered it from Santa. That's getting to the mood. You thinking that's it? Nope. Here's all the accessories. Sorry that mine didn't. I lost what's that? That one sheet. I lost it. Oh well. See what you get. these plastic base stand. These two balance bars. Two motors like these. And two wings. These type of wings are like, these are the type of wings that I purchased. The one with which was the airline. The wheels inside it. That'll be awesome if they make one of the. It's just be pretty awesome if they would have make an RC plane like this. So let me show you how to start assembling these planes. What I like to do first is like this. Snap on the motors on the plane like this.